What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando, this time just to see what's going on with the park. We have not been here since Penguin Trek's opening, so hopefully there's a lot to see and do. We have the express ticketing booth over there to the side, and I'm going to use the ones over here. And reason being, well, those have been kind of temperamental, but they're SeaWorld bucks, and I want to get them. And up here at the front, we can see the ticket windows do not have much of a wait. Parking was a breeze, and turnstiles, also no wait. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through. We are on our way. It is boiling hot. Heat index somewhere around 105, 107 I saw. Yeah, a little warm. SeaWorld store, and there's a couple things I want to check out in here real quick. Let's go. From time to time, we check up on the pen trading stuff, and there are some new pens we can see right here with Sesame. Surfboard ones with characters. Those actually look really nice. And then over here, a bunch of 60th. And then roller coaster pens. We have Mako right there. And these are thick pens. They're $13.99. And you can see the one right there with Manta. That's a neat design. Looks like we have some Howl-O-Scream merchandise stuff out. And it appears this looks like last year's. In fact, pretty sure of it. So hopefully some new merchandise will be coming out, but we have cups, shirts, bags, and hoodies. I think I might have found a shirt I can get behind. Chill the flock out, or Flocking Fabulous. Just to keep you guys updated with what's going on event-wise here at the park, we have Bands Brew BBQ, July 6th through August 25th. Of course, Spooktacular is returning August 31st through November 3rd. Howl-O-Scream, yep, it's back again also, September 6th through November 2nd. And then we have SeaWorld's Christmas celebration, November 8th through January 2nd. Rubber bloops. Let's see how they're doing. Split point, and normally we've been heading that direction towards Penguin Trek or Sky Tower, but this time we're heading over towards Pipeline. We can see a stage set up over here next to Flamecraft Bar for Bands Brew BBQ. Live music. There's Pipeline doing its thing, and it's been a while since I've been over here. Now you got to be asking, why would we be over here by Pipeline? Well, apparently at High Surf, they had some new merchandise. A nano coaster of Pipeline. We'll see if it's actually here. Might be sold out. And there it is. There is the nano coaster. So you can get one now here at SeaWorld for Pipeline. You can see the back of it and the price, $54.99. Ouch. It's neat though. 60th anniversary cups with the steel on top. It's pretty nice. Speaking of Pipeline, only has a 5-minute wait. Not bad. Over here at the bridge, we can see some metal poles in the lake, and I believe that's going to be for the Sea of Trees. Construction ducks! Point me to the way for the construction. Come on, guys. I need your help. Icebreaker. Doing its thing. Running one train. Probably has a 5 or a 10-minute wait. Yep, I was wrong. 60 minutes. Ouch! Yeah, with one train, dramatically increases the wait. And over here, in the former area for Wild Artic, we have Howl-O-Scream decorations going up. We've had a show in this area for the last couple of years. Looks like some of the same stages and props are back up. And one final prop over here for the stage show. Speaking of Wild Artic, going rumor is that a mock flying theater, or a kind of dark ride style attraction, is going to be coming to this building. We've seen them doing some work for a while, and hopefully we'll get some announcements or more developments coming up soon. We still have the keep out signs over here on the door for Wild Artic, but I'm not seeing any other changes. We are on the hunt for pens today apparently, and there's some new ones inside the gift shop here. Let's take a look. Inside the gift shop for Wild Artic, we have more pens and more new ones. This one caught my eye because look, it's a Mako train. Yeah, that looks beautiful. And over here, train, the Orca, and different cars with animals. Yeah, lots of new pens. Not thinking we're gonna see anything different over here, but we'll take a look. Orc walls up over here. Used to be doors, and hopefully a lot of progress is going on inside there. And then we have the barricades over here saying no trespassing. I'm not seeing anything different over there. But yeah, that is fully walled up. You used to be able to kind of see past it. Now you can't. Right here next to Sesame Street Land, we do have some food booths for Bands Brew and BBQ. Let's take a look at the menu. We can see barbecue pulled pork, loaded baked potato, $11.99. They have a carved turkey slider, a southern style slider, bourbon pecan pie, and other food items. Yum! And here's the illustration over here of them. For this one, Memphis barbecue, Memphis dry ribs. We have wings and a potato salad also. And that's what it looks like. Beer garden also set up over here. Booth number 14. In prior years, we have had a haunted house right over here in that little warehouse building, pirate themed, and we'll see if it returns, but not seeing anything set up for it right now at least. Right over here by Infinity Falls, we have a sponsorship display, looks like Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Infinity Falls currently showing a 60-minute wait. Ride is in operation, which is awesome. And they've also fixed the bridge that was right here messed up. So yay! Waterway Grill, and they are setting up for a new haunted house over here. You can see work walls right there, and just behind it there's a barn and a trailer, so maybe something to that theme. Now that we're inside Waterway Grill, we can see a giant wall right there blocking off part of the dining area, and they've done that for the last couple of years. And they usually have a theme bar in here. Hopefully that'll happen again. Inside the past member lounge, normally this is a kind of seating area back here, but it's blocked off saying backstage area. And in the past for Howl-O-Scream, they had character changes and costume changes over in this area. Probably what it's going to be for again. Over here we used to have free beer. No, it's gone. You got another booth for Bands, Brews, and Barbecue. Spirit tastings, bourbon, rum, vodka, and gin. Pricing, $22.99. Over here at the Nautilus Theater, this is where the bands have been playing for Bands Brew and Barbecue. It's also going to be home for a show for Howl-O-Scream. We've had Monster Stomp in the last couple of years, and rumor has it it's going to be returning. Another booth, Texas Barbecue. We got brisket, yeah. Jalapeno cheddar sausage, and Lone Star mac and cheese. And that's what it looks like. Mako! Currently showing a 5-minute wait. Not bad. So this is going to be a little bit different. Directly to the left here of Finn's Gifts, we have work walls. Why would that be? Well, apparently there's going to be a new haunted house right behind here. And the work walls continue on over here to this side. So a pretty large area for, again, rumored a haunted house for Howl-O-Scream. Stage set up over here for Bands Brew BBQ with little tables so you can enjoy your food and drinks. Gotta have some live music or a DJ over there. Yet another booth over here, Tipsy Twist, and they have all sorts of different drinks. So if that's what you want, they got it over here. And directly next to it, Carolina Barbecue, and I can see Texas Toast Smoked Pulled Pork Sandwich, and they have a chicken biscuit, and that is what it all looks like. Sky Tower, and normally I take a ride on it, but well, there's nothing really to cover construction wise, and there's storms coming in, so it's probably going to be shutting down anytime soon, so not on this visit. We've moved on to the area right next over here to Penguin Trek, and well, we used to have a restaurant that was for like pizza, different things like that, but now, going rumors, it's going to be a Chick-fil-A. And to be completely honest, I'm not seeing much change from the last time I was here. There's Penguin Trek. Let's see how the sea puppers are doing. And there's the baby sea pupper. Time for lunch. Here we are at the entrance for the ride, and it currently has a 60-minute wait. Ouch. A couple other small changes to the area. We now have stickers on the ground saying, hey, you need a drink? This direction. Glacial Supply, and that's the gift shop for Penguin Trek. Hopefully there's some new merchandise for the ride. Let's head inside and take a look. And what is this that I see? New merchandise for Penguin Trek. Nano Coaster. Yep, that's right. Just arrived. Take a look at the back and see what it shows. And same price as the Pipeline one, $54.99, has the layout right there. And the stats. It's nice to see though. Not sure if I covered this before or not, but we have a patch for Penguin Trek also, and it's $9.99. Kraken, still shutting down early. As you can see, shuts down at least today at 5 o'clock. Wait 20 minutes right now. Journey to Atlantis, and right now showing a 45-minute wait. I really hope this ride can get some TLC sometime soon. It'd be nice. In the past, we've spotted coaster buns over here by Manta. We got another one. Another thing of merchandise that I don't know if I've ever seen before, but man, is that one of the nicest cups I've ever seen. Mako. It's $40. Manta's wait time, 15 minutes. Not bad. Of course, it's time for my favorite part of the day. Pink chickens. And we got coaster buns over here today too. Bye. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for a general update. Checking to see what is new with Howl-O-Scream and the rumored 2025 project. Again, that is supposed to be a fly-in theater. Howl-O-Scream is coming up very, very quickly. A lot of prep and setup is going on for that. Of course, we have Christmas celebration happening after that. Manta doing a flyby right now, and there is a ton of new merchandise around the entire park. We're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.